Hello guys, today we are going to see how to create YouTube shorts. So if you have seen my previous video or you already know how to import videos to Filmora 9 or 10 or whichever version you have from your local machine. So you will click on this plus icon or you can press Ctrl plus I to just import any video to your Filmora. Okay. So what you need to do, step number 1, go to file, go to a new project, and as soon as you will hover on the new project, you will get a drop down and there will be different resolutions for the import. So I'll just choose here 9:16 resolution for the portrait mode. So just click on this, and now if I'll import any of the video, for example, let me just take an example video for you. So if I open this video, so I don't want to take the complete video to my timeline. Then what I'll do, I'll just double click on this, and this will start rendering on the right side. So here, let me just move it forward a little bit, and here, all right. So let me just find out a good part from the video for which we can create a shot. So maybe, okay, let me just find out. Okay, from here I think we can go, right? All right, to take out this part, what I'll do, I'll use the curly brackets. So curly brackets, or you can say this mark in and mark out. So I'll just click here, and so this will be your initial point of the video, and I will just drag it to some part of the video because shorts are like 15 or 30 seconds. So I'll click over here. So I'm just taking out this part of the video to my timeline. So for that, I'll just click OK, and it's your wish. Like, do you want the video in 60 fps or you want to get this video in 25 fps? It's depending on your video resolution. So I'll just take out in 60 fps. I'll click over it. So let's see like what video is there. So this is the video which we took out from our example video to create a YouTube short. Just right click over the timeline and go to crop and zoom option. So I'll click over it, and here as you can see the ratio at the bottom left bottom, you can see the ratio is 16:9. However, 16:9 is the ratio for the normal videos which we watch on YouTube. So we need to go into the portrait mode. For portrait mode, the resolution is 9:16. Click over it, and here you will see a difference in the selection of the video, or you can say in selection of the screen. So from here you can drag to left or drag to right, whichever portion you want to cover. So let's cover this portion. Okay, and for this portion I will just click OK here. So you will get some changes here. Now let's see how it plays. All right, so here we have the YouTube short. So the mistake people generally do, I'll just show you. Again, going back to the second step, just click on crop and zoom. What they will do, they will just click for OK here. So if you click OK, then they will try to resize this, which is quite hard to resize it. You can, but I would not suggest you to resize over here because there might be some changes. You will end up with squeezing the screen. So the best way is, as I told you, let me just go back to the original video. Yeah, so again, going to the crop and zoom tool, convert the ratio to the portrait mode, then press OK. All right, so here we have this video. In case you want to add any text or anything, what you can do, simply go to the tiles and just plain text. I will just add a plain text. I don't want anything else. So let me just double click over this. What I do, I will write here something like YouTube short. Okay, YouTube short. So from here, Going to right side, you can resize it. And tip, if you press shift, then hold the shift key and then drag with your left mouse key, it will maintain the resolution. Okay, it will not break it up. So, okay, I will just drag it down, or you can drag it upside. You can play with it. And now let me play it over again. Yep, so we have done, we are good to go now. So you can just export the video, maybe anything, whatever you want to rename it, and then just import it, export simply, and upload it to your YouTube channel. Get a number of views. Thank you so much for watching this